Nipa? Nipa, are you sure? Nipa! Nipa, are you sure about Rudra? Huh? Oh no. I hope Shri arrives soon. Why is she taking so long? She's not picking up call.
What? What happened to me all of a sudden? I feel normal now. Did I make a mistake? What's the matter?
Thank God, Shri, you came. Where were you? What took you so long? Look what has happened here. Why did you come so late?
Brother Raja, let's see what Sister Shri says. I told everyone all along that it was a foolish plan. Now who will calm Sister Nipa down?
Quiet, 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 quiet. I'll go and see. And I would like you to follow me.
Follow you? Nipa? Hey Nipa, what's wrong? Why are you crying? I don't know, Shri. I feel like crying.
Shri. I'll tell you everything. Nipa has fallen in love with Rudra. I mean, you had called her here. You had planned to meet, isn't it? So Nipa thought she would tell you about it, about everything. But I don't know why you sent me here instead of you coming here. I don't know why.
Just a minute. Nipa is in love with whom? Rudra? What rubbish is this, Ratul? Hey Nipa, what have you told Ratul? Hey, I sent the two of you here so that you could talk in private and share your feelings with each other. And when did you fall in love with Rudra? It's all nonsense.
1 second. Will you repeat what exactly you wanted to do? There's nothing that Nipa I need to share again. And why are you scolding her? What has she done? Nipa had called Rudra here. He came here. They discussed everything. And after seeing him, she lost her senses. You just cannot feel that kind of love. Why are you distracting Nipa's love? Why are you behaving so insensitive?
Insensitive as in? What insensitive, Ratul? Nipa doesn't love Rudra. Rudra is much older than us. And tell me, how did Nipa get such stupid ideas? Nipa? Nipa, tell me honestly, who asked you to put on this act? Oh no. Brother Rajiv, we are done for the day. Oh Lord, help.
What I'm saying is, will you run away?
Run away?
Run away. Should we run away?
Nanda, had Nipa not... That's why I said we couldn't win the match with such a team.
What do you mean?
Everyone did well. Why are you saying all this now? Shri, I didn't have to put on an act. I really had gone into a different world. I am telling the truth. I just cannot forget Rudra's entry into the restaurant. So dashing. A real hero.
Brother Rajiv, didn't I tell you in the beginning that it was a foolish plan? Now, what will happen to Sister Nipa? And what will we tell Rudra? Why is grandfather's grandson so quiet today?
What will I say? What do you want to hear? Tell me one thing that has been followed according to my plan.
What?
What do you mean? What are you saying, Siddharth? We all worked as per your plan to the best of our ability.
Exactly. You cannot blame us now. You know you misunderstood things. Yes.
What do you mean by that, huh? I asked Nipa to pretend to have fallen in love. I told her to enact. I didn't ask her to fall in love. You all are really strange. To top it all, Rudy. He got upset and left. And then she, Tufan Mail, she started dancing. Nothing was followed as per my plan. Don't blame me unnecessarily.
Oh Lord, put some sense into grandfather's grandson, please.
Mithai, this is too much, I'm telling you.
No, this is not too much. Siddharth, tell me, does anyone fall in love by planning things? And you made Nipa say so many times that she is in love. So you tell me, what is she expected to do?
Hey, I'm in love. I just asked her to say this line. I didn't ask her to fall in love. Besides, love and romance are silly things, Rajiv. Understand that. Besides, falling in love while working on such a project, it's so silly.
Silly? Mr. Bitterguard, you can't justify yourself by calling everything stupid. First, we have to see Sister Nipa's condition with our own eyes. If uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, and others ask Sister Nipa, we will be exposed. Has anyone thought about it? Everyone will think that grandfather's grandson is responsible for Sister Nipa falling in love.
Oh Lord, what will happen now? I am trembling with fear. And what will we tell Rudra?
Mithai was right. No, Siddharth. An office project and a family project are not the same. I am getting very worried now.
Rajiv, you don't worry about Nipa. I know her very well. Maybe at that time, she developed a sudden feeling, you know. This Love and romance will be cured in a couple of days. Let her be alone for a while. She'll be fine, okay?
What do you mean? Love will be cured. Do you think love is some kind of disease? That's why, Brother Rajiv, I told you not to work on the plans of the person who doesn't know what is love. Everything is not a everything is not a project. Do you understand?
Please,
Uh,
come with me, Nipa. Nipa has gone crazy.
What?
What? There is going to be a big problem. Please come with me.
Let's go,
Come on,
let's
come
go,
on,
let's go.
come Come on.
Hey, what happened?
Sister Nipa. Sister Nipa, what has happened to you? Sister Nipa, can you hear me?
Mithai,
Hmm.
I'm in love.
Nipa. Nipa, this wasn't a part of a game plan, right? How could you?
Game plan as in? Hey, Siddharth. What do you mean by game plan?
Hmm. It's your brother's new project.
New project? Huh? What has Nipa got to do with that? Do you know who Nipa is in love with? Does anyone know?
Ratul, please. I'm telling you again and again, it's not true. Nipa can't fall in love with Rudra. I'm telling you, all of this is just an act. Hey, Siddharth, what game plan were you talking about? You won't tell me, right? Very good. Mithai? Nanda, Rajiv, you tell me. What game plan is he talking about? And who asked Nipa to say all this and why?
Hey, no, there is no game plan. Actually,
Actually,
hey, listen. Why don't you tell her you?
What will I tell her? Siddharth will tell her.
I'm really surprised to see you, Shri. Please look at Nipa's condition. Why don't you understand her feelings are genuine? She's not pretending anything. Why do you think it's a game plan? Why? I've been telling you since we were in the restaurant that she has fallen in love with
Ratul,
Rudra.
I have also been telling you since we were in the restaurant that this all is an act. Nipa can't fall in love with Rudra. Why will she fall in love with him? Rudra is much older than us. Is this a joke or what? Hold on. Siddharth?
Yeah.
Such a big incident took place, but you didn't react or get surprised. What does it mean? What I guessed is right. This is all a pre-planned act.
Drama? What kind of drama? We were utterly astonished to hear about the whole incident. We are so astonished that we have forgotten to be surprised, isn't it, Brother Raja? Forget about all that. You two had gone to a restaurant, right? No, not two, but three of you. You, Sister Nipa, and Brother Ratul. Which restaurant did you go to? Listen, Sister Shri, come aside with me for a while. Listen, you are telling in front of everyone that you want to unite Sister Nipa And Ratul, but if you express your desire in front of everyone, how will you execute your plan? Let it be a secret, okay? Shh. Mm, Sister Nipa? Hey, Sister Nipa. Sister Nipa, can you hear me? What happened?
Mithai,
Hmm.
I am having a strange feeling, you know? I mean, does one's tummy rumble if someone is in love? My tummy is rumbling. I'm just having the feeling that the violin is being played all around.
What? Violin? Where? Nanda,
Nipa is feeling like that. Keep quiet and let me listen.
violin.
I don't really remember if something similar happened to me. Hey, Nipa, what else can you feel? Nanda, I get the feeling that I'm floating.
What? Are you floating? But how?
Brother Rajiv, Nipa is seriously in love. There's no solution. I have a lot of work to do. Bye.
Hey, what nonsense is this? How can someone fall in love like this? That too with Rudy. I mean, this isn't possible. Hey, Rudy is Rudy. What do you say? Hey, workaholic. He's a true workaholic. I mean, he is always busy with work. Nanda, all of you, please reason with her. Please bring her out of her dream world, please. Rudy.
What?
Violin.
Look at her. She can hear a violin playing.
What is all this, Brother Rajiv? What was Sid saying? Is this some kind of a joke? He asked her to come out of her dream world? What does this mean? Is this something like switch on, switch off?
I don't know anything about this. Nanda, let's go from here. Hey, Mithai is here. She will handle everything. Nanda, I'm trying to tell you, we won't understand all this. And you know what? I need to eat something. Bachu Singh hasn't eaten anything.
Bachu Singh? Who's Bachu Singh?
Bachu Singh, I am Bachu Singh.
How can you be
Hey,
Bachu Singh?
it's me. Oh my. Nipa can fall in love all of a sudden, and you can do 1,000 dramas. Siddharth can prepare a new project. Why do you have a problem if I name myself Bachu Singh? I'll name myself Bachu Singh. I'll do whatever I wish. Hey, Nanda, come and serve me food. Flat bread and lentil soup, whatever there is. Come on.
Has Brother Rajiv lost his mind? Bachu Singh? Brother?
Brother Ratul, listen. Suppose Sister Nipa is truly in love with Rudra, then what should we do? I'm just thinking about that.
I suggest that they should be united.
What do you mean? Rudra and Nipa. What are you saying, Ratul? How are you saying all this? Aren't you feeling bad?
Why? Why should I feel bad, Shri? Listen, the way you had planned to make Nipa and meet me in order to share our feelings, that was a stupid idea. Please get these things out of your mind. I don't have a problem saying all this in front of Mithai because I genuinely consider her a friend. Mithai, please tell Shri that I'm not like his brother Sid. Marriage is not a child's play to me. Whatever I had told her after coming back from Kharagpur, she should keep that in mind.
Hey Mithai, I had sent Nipa and Ratul together according to your plan, but did you see what happened?
Sister Shri, one thing is at least clear now.
What is it?
Brother Ratul doesn't have any feelings for Sister Nipa anymore. Brother Ratul no longer feels attached to Sister Nipa. Listen, please get those weird thoughts out of your head now. Have some patience. Brother Ratul will surely love you someday. Yes.
No, Mithai. I don't want to achieve love in this way. Okay, tell me something. Would you ever want to get love from Siddharth in this manner? You won't. Look, Ratul and I got married all of a sudden. Feelings like love can't develop between us.
Laptop. I've come to take my laptop charger. Your genius must have kept it in this room, I'm sure.